Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming core details. If your device clock, IP location, or network looks different, Google may block attempts. Once done, use a trusted device and stable Wi-Fi to limit suspicions. Make sure your recovery email and phone are accessible, and have any ID or account creation details ready. Start account recovery now rather than retrying passwords. This avoids more failed attempts. If you see a CAPTCHA, complete it carefully. Then move directly into the official recovery flow. Open the Google account recovery page and enter the full email address. Be precise. You will be asked for recent passwords. Supply any you remember because Google weighs accuracy heavily. Next, accept verification codes sent to your recovery phone or email. Check spam folders too. When asked for account creation date or device models used recently, provide the closest estimates you can. These specifics increase trust. Once verified, you'll be allowed to reset the password and remove lockouts. After verification, reset to a unique, strong password and turn on two-step verification to prevent repeats. Make sure recovery info is up to date. This closes the loop. If the automated flow fails, stop making repeated attempts. Rate limits mean waiting 24 to 48 hours often clears temporary blocks. If that still fails, contact Google support and be ready to submit ID or account creation proof. This manual review resolves persistent lockouts. One final tip: avoid VPNs or new locations during recovery to reduce flags.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.